Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm an engineer Ayaz. So today I will solve down this sad question. It is too much difficult question. So stay tuned with me and write this down on your notebook. So let's get started. So the question is a plus b is equal to 32. A minus b is equal to 18. Then we have to find out the a multiplied b is equal to. So we have to find out this. So let's get started without wasting time. Before solving down this question, we all know that there is a formula. In math, you should remember all the formulas or all the necessary formulas, okay? Then the formula for this question is a plus b whole square, then minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So this is the formula and we have to plug in the values into this formula. So the given values are a plus b. Put the value 32 over here, then whole square minus 18 whole square is equal to 4ab. So this 32 whole square is equal to 1024, then minus 18 whole square means 324 is equal to 4ab. And then here if I will eliminate this 1024 minus 324 is equal to 700, then 4ab. So here ab is equal to 700 divided by 4. So for 1 times 4, 175 times as 700. So our final answer is AB is equal to 175. So thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.